Welcome to Labrone Reviews, where we bring you the best insights on your favorite products. Stay tuned for today's exciting review. Let's dive right in. Today, we're diving into the Adidas Samba Classic soccer shoes, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance that has stood the test of time. Get ready to be amazed. Crafted with a durable leather upper and a non-marking sole, the Adidas Samba Classic soccer shoes are designed to provide both comfort and longevity. Whether you're playing an intense game on an indoor soccer field or just walking around the city, these shoes are built to last through it all. The timeless design ensures they're as stylish off the field as on it. Pair them with your favorite casual outfit for a sleek, sporty look, or wear them during your daily activities for unmatched comfort and durability. The Adidas Samba Classic truly combines functionality with fashion, making it a versatile choice for any occasion. Whether you're playing an intense indoor soccer match or heading out for a casual day, the Samba Classic offers unmatched versatility. You won't want to miss out on these. Ready to upgrade your game? The Adidas Samba Classic soccer shoes are designed for both style and performance, making them a must-have for any soccer enthusiast. Whether you're playing on the field or just looking for a stylish pair of sneakers, these shoes have got you covered. Check out the Adidas Samba Classic soccer shoes on Amazon for great deals, or explore exclusive offers on Adidas's official website. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your game and your style. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching Labrone Reviews. We hope you enjoyed our in-depth look at the Adidas Samba Classic soccer shoes. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. We post new content every week, covering a wide range of products to help you make informed decisions. See you in the next video, and happy shopping!